So guys, if you're facing the high RAM usage problem in Windows 11, then what you can do is you have to open Task Manager and see which process is using your RAM. By using Task Manager, you can see that which process is using your RAM the most, and you can just close that process. So what you have to do is you have to see if there is any other process. If the process is using your RAM a lot, you can just untask the process and save your RAM usage. But still, if it doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to open Task Manager again and then click on the Startup tab, and then by clicking on it, you can just disable the unnecessary apps by right clicking and selecting disable. These are the startup apps which opens when you start your PC. You just have to close the apps if you are not using it, or they are just unnecessary apps, so you can just disable them. But still, if your RAM usage is high, what you can do is you can just press Windows plus R, and then what you can do is you have to type sysdm.cpl, and by this you can just go to advanced tab and then performance and then settings. And what you have to do is you have to just select choose adjust for best performance or customize it to disable unnecessary animations. By using this, you can just disable the animations of your Windows. It might cause some visual effects problem when you open your Windows, and when you use your window, you can just see the animations are no more there, but it just helps the performance. What you can do else is just go to Windows Update, and then you have to update your Windows and update your drivers, because it might be the Windows or it might be the drivers which is causing the high RAM usage problem. So you can just update your Windows to fix that. And if still the problem is not fixed, then what you can do is you can just open run again and then type there services.msc, and when you just type that, you can just see the services, and then when you scroll down a little bit, you will find something called sys main or superfetch, and then go to select properties and then set the startup type to disabled and click stop, because this process also uses your RAM, so you can just stop this process. The another thing you can do is just increase the virtual memory. You can just increase the virtual memory by going to run and then go to sysdm.cpl again and hit enter. Then go to the advanced tab, then performance, then settings, then advanced. Then you can just change under virtual memory and uncheck automatically manage paging file size. Then select your drive, choose custom size and set the initial size to 1.5 times your RAM in MB of course, and the maximum size 3 times your RAM. It means 1.5x and the maximum size is 3x. Click on set and restart the PC. But if still the problem is not fixed, it might be the case that your PC has a malware. To fix that, you can just go to Windows Defender and click on scan so that your PC is scanned, or if you have any kind of another antivirus software, use that to scan all your system to see if there is any malware which is causing this issue. This is the basic steps that you can do to fix your high RAM usage. But still, if it doesn't work guys, then you can just comment down below. I'll try to fix that by replying to your comment. Thanks for watching this video guys.